Hello everyone, this is Vidushi.
And this is Rashi.
Welcome to our podcast Discuss. I like peas in my chawal.
I don't. I mean, why do you eat peas in the chawal?
I love peas in chawal, but I hate aloo gajar matar.
No, I cannot have. My rice are supposed to be plain jeera rice with whatever the vegetable is. I cannot have aloo, gajar, matar or whatever, gobi. I don't know, cashew.
Pulao.
I mean, what is
Kya
a
cashew?
and an almond doing in the rice?
And
Yeah.
it's like,
I understand you're trying to make it like royal, but no, dude. Please
in fact,
don't.
तुम बड़ी वाली वो इलायची होती है ना,
हाँ.
even if you add that, it annoys me to the core because there's an aftertaste to it.
Right.
Alright, so अब राइस की बात कर रहे हैं ना. Tell me, what is your favorite thing to have with rice?
With rice, I think anything can go with rice. Be it, what do we call chole in English?
Peas, chickpeas.
Chickpeas, and kidney beans.
Something about that word is
छोले राजमा दाल तीनों के साथ खा सकती हूँ मैं अपने चावल.
My mom knows कि मेरा चावल और मेरा कितना बड़ा like we are in a relationship. चावल and I ना जब भी मैं अपने दादी घर जाती हूँ ना, my दादी knows कि सुबह she'll have आलू का पराठा and शाम को she'll have anything with rice.
Wow. I think the chapati is so monotonous for us. We
Yes.
eat it with everything now. So rice is like a different touch.
Yeah,
and
it's
it's a
like
different texture.
taste.
It's eaten different. Everything about the rice is different from the chapati.
मेरे लिए
So most North Indians now are starting to like rice even more because it is like something that substitutes chapati for us.
मेरे लिए ना चपाती is like a lot of mass एक साथ, when I'm eating चावल ना, it's like एक एक दाना अलग होता है ना. So I think it's just, I don't know, it's just placebo to me कि मेरे को राइस अच्छे लगता है. It is good with everything. I like कड़ी चावल.
How did I miss curry?
Is lovely कड़ी चावल is so great. I can even have
Seriously.
chai with raita. Not chai with
Why are you eating chai with raita?
We'll come to tea later.
Okay.
Wait, when I'm talking.
Chai and raita. What a combination. It's going to explode in your stomach,
This is something I would feed my enemies.
No, don't, please.
So I was saying, if I can eat chawal with literally anything, even raita is plain raita. I love it. I
Curd
love
rice,
it.
you mean?
Not curd rice.
Raita rice?
Raita. It has to be a certain consistency.
Okay.
Not मेरे को दही इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता, but I love raita or I love lassi, anything like that. It's the same with capsicum. I don't like shimla mirch.
But capsicum is a little bitter. Even capsicum and even, brinjal, it's bitter nowadays.
That's the thing. But अगर मेरे को खाना है capsicum, I can only have it on pizza. I don't know why. Only on pizza. It tastes good on pizza. Nothing else. And if I'm talking about bangan I can only have in the form of bartha. Never that वो bangan वाली होती है
Aloo
ना.
bangan.
Yeah, I hate aloo bangan. Ew. My mom loves aloo. So now coming back to chai. So Rajman, chai तो आपका
I
favorite
love
है.
chai. Nowadays, milk now, even as a kid, milk for me was, it smells. It does not taste good. That's the type of,
I can see why
how
you
I
would say
perceive milk. Right? So,
Yeah.
drinking milk is a little hectic for me. I have, since I learned how to hold my breath, I have never, I used to drink milk while holding my breath.
Oh,
Consciously holding it, okay? Until unless the glass of milk is far away from my nose, I will not inhale. I used to hate it so much, but now I don't have to drink milk. I can drink chai. The tea is
इलायची डाल के you can enhance the aroma.
the smell is not there, the taste is not there. It's so much better. I love tea. I like coffee as well, but coffee leaves a bitter aftertaste. So I think that's what makes it a no-go for me.
For me, I prefer coffee to
I
tea.
know.
I don't know, but tea does not taste like anything to me. It's like a bunch of nothingness to me. It's just sweet milk to me. I don't know why, but it just does not hit like it is supposed to. For me, coffee does that. Like the smell, the aroma of coffee beans. And I'm not talking about like bitter coffee. I don't like bitter coffee. I like coffee with sugar and milk. So talking about coffee, my love for coffee, even my mom knows about my love for coffee. शादियों में भी I used to drink coffee, but now I've shifted to ice cream.
You know, the coffee in the weddings now, they pour that choco powder on
Yeah.
it, and that prevents the aftertaste. So it tastes nice then.
The sweet cocoa or something.
हाँ.
But there also have like frothy coffee. I love it. I love it. I like sweet coffees. I don't know. मैंने एक बार मोका और लाटे मंगाए थे. मोका और लाटे. It's latte, right?
हाँ, latte.
I'm bad at names. So I ordered mocha and latte. I ended up liking mocha because it was like, I don't know what that guy did. Maybe he added too much sugar to it. But I loved the mocha one and I hated the latte one because he did not add sugar to it. So I don't know.
Isn't latte like less coffee than mocha?
I have no clue. Maybe it was the guy who made the coffee.
Why?
Maybe he emptied the entire container of sugar in it.
Oh, was it really sweet?
Yeah, it was really sweet. But I like sweet things sometimes. But I don't like chocolate. I
You don't like. But I love chocolate.
I like chocolate ice cream.
You like chocolate ice cream, but not chocolate.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is how it has been. I like everything that has chocolate, but not chocolate. Like
I mean, everything else that has chocolate has some sugar in it as well. However, chocolate alone can be a little bitter for everyone.
yeah, the only reason I started eating chocolate because they added Oreo to it. I cannot have any other. I hate fruit and nuts. I hate everything.
I don't like fruit and nuts. Yeah,
It's
what is
annoying.
it not doing in my chocolate?
I don't like almonds in general, so it just annoys me when you're adding nuts to my chocolate. Na,
Chocolate,
I like Oreo though.
And I don't like, the what do you call that? The cherries and all.
Oh yeah, I don't like dry fruits. Are not my. I used to like kishmish when I was young. It was like okay to me, but I don't like
It's
kishmish.
too sweet now. I know.
It's too sweet. I don't like almonds also. I don't like nuts except cashew.
Cashew is nice.
Cashew is like sweet. I love cashew. This is something I believe I got from my dadu. He's a big fan. So like, do you think that some of your tastes come from your family? Like, कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे परिवार में there's a trend, everybody likes this, and that is why maybe I like this food. Have you ever felt that way?
No, we are not, we don't consciously go after one thing again and again. We might find something which is like really nice and we'll go there to eat that again and again. But in general, we don't think of like, oh my god, that is so nice. Let's eat that. Like, we are not too conscious about food. We buy it, we eat it, we like it, we're done. We are like that. So we don't put too much thought into food. I have seen people do that. Even you do that. ये वाली चीज़ वहाँ से इतनी अच्छी आती है, वाली चीज़ वहाँ से इतनी अच्छी आती है. We don't. We go wherever looks nice, we eat, we come back.
But there are some places where the momos are really good, and I didn't used to like fried momos, but I love fried momos now. They're so good.
Momos are nice.
Don't
I mean, let's end this fast. Go and buy something to eat. I'm hungry now. Come on.
all right. Maybe we'll talk about food again later.
All right. Should we end this?
Yes. So how do we end this?
All right, everyone. This is it for today. We'll see you in the next podcast.
Bye. For the first time.